At Rama Gaming House Mississauga, we're always raising the game, and now we've taken that literally. From the ground up, our new 45-foot pylon sign took shape through teamwork, precision, and a shared vision to create something spectacular. Watch precision engineering and teamwork bring every piece to life, creating a bold new landmark in our community. Now standing tall, our new sign reflects who we are, a place built for the community, driven by great food, live music, and unforgettable games. Stay tuned for more updates. Rama Gaming House. Our house is your house.